In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 best ChatGPT prompts for social media. If you want to save time, stay consistent, and come up with better content ideas faster, these 5 prompt types can make a huge difference in your social media workflow. Instead of staring at a blank screen and wondering what to post next, you can use ChatGPT as a creative assistant to help you brainstorm, write, organize, and improve your content strategy. The first prompt is the Content Ideas prompt. This is perfect when you need a steady stream of fresh post ideas and want to avoid content creation blocks. You can use it to generate endless ideas for your niche, discover trending angles, and create posts tailored for different platforms. A simple example would be asking ChatGPT to generate 30 social media post ideas for a fitness brand targeting busy professionals. What makes this useful is that it gives you a starting point quickly, and you can always refine the results based on your audience, tone, or goals. The second prompt is the caption writing prompt. Once you have a post idea, the next challenge is writing a caption that actually grabs attention. This prompt helps you create engaging captions for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or TikTok. It's especially helpful if you want stronger hooks, clearer messaging, and better calls to action. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write 10 Instagram captions for a new product launch with strong engagement hooks. This can save a lot of time while also helping you test different tones and styles. The third prompt is the social media calendar prompt. This one is all about planning ahead. Instead of creating content day by day, you can ask ChatGPT to build a calendar for the next 30 days or even longer. This helps you organize content around campaigns, promotions, and important events while keeping your posting schedule consistent. For example, you could ask it to create a 30-day social media content calendar for a digital marketing agency. This is a great way to improve your overall strategy and avoid last-minute posting. The fourth prompt is the hashtag research prompt. Hashtags can improve reach and discoverability when they're relevant and targeted. With this prompt, you can generate a mix of broad, popular, and niche-specific hashtags for your content. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to generate 30 hashtags for a travel Instagram account focused on budget travel. This gives you a useful starting list that you can then customize for each post and platform. The fifth prompt is the audience engagement prompt. Social media isn't just about posting, it's about starting conversations. This prompt helps you create questions, polls, and interactive content that encourage comments, shares, and opinions. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to generate 20 engaging social media questions that encourage followers to comment and share their opinions. This is a simple but powerful way to build stronger relationships with your audience and boost engagement over time. If you use these 5 prompts consistently, ChatGPT can become a powerful tool for creating better social media content with less effort.